starting getting a good commission and good income and getting good income in this platform. So I know you're ready and I'm ready also. We have a guest from Tuvalu now in Marshall Island. Okay, so let's welcome our guest for today. Okay, our special guest. Let's welcome our special guest for today. Okay, she's very powerful woman from PG Island, from Nadi. Let's welcome. Where are you, Coach? Okay, let's welcome Coach Salome Colata.
I can
Let's
see you. I can see
welcome
you.
Sister Salome. Hi, Coach. Bola. Bola, Coach.
Bula,
Did you hear me? Yeah.
bula.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can hear you.
you can
I can
hi
hear.
first to our viewers for today. We have a lot of viewers right now. We have almost 30,000 viewers in the Zoom. Yeah, you can
Oh,
hi
hello
to them.
everybody. Bula, everyone.
Yeah. So welcome to our Inspiring Wednesday, Coach, and I'm happy that you are here. And I'm very excited to hear your story about in our system. Okay? So, yeah. First of all, Coach, before we start, can you introduce yourself first?
Hi, bula everyone. Fiji. I reside in the western part of Fiji, which is Nandi. Like what Coach Mark has already said. I live in Nandi. Uh, I was an account officer for the past 18 years. No, it has been 18 years for me being a mom and a full-time housewife. Before, but I love doing what I do now, MSI Digital.
Yeah, Bola Binaka, Coach Salome, Coach Tenaisiri is commenting. Yeah, I think Coach Tenaisiri is from Nadi also. Okay, let's wait while Coach Salome is fixing her sound. So, by the way, congratulations. We have a lot of we have a lot of guests and attendees right now from PG Island, and also we have partners here from different country also. And yeah, we're so very excited to share with you the story of Coach Salome. And Coach Salome, by the way, Coach Salome is one of the VIP club members. So it means Coach Salome is starting in this platform as VIP accounts. So Coach Salome have a VIP accounts. Right, Coach Salome? Are you with me? Go on, Coach. It's okay. I can hear you now. Okay. So Sister Salome is residing in Nadi, Fiji Island. And again, I meet Coach Salome via online. And right now, Coach Salome is starting getting a commission using this MSI digital system. So I know a lot of people here from you meet your coach, I think via online because we're doing the biz online. So Coach Salome is the same thing. I meet Coach Salome by online. And yeah, again, Coach Salome is from Nadi, and right now, she's starting getting a commission in this platform. Can you comment down below how you meet your coach and your mentor in this platform? You watch the video or you can chat directly like that? So you can comment down below, okay? So we have a lot, I think we have a lot of partners from PG because I see the Bola Binaka, Bola Binaka. So you commenting Bola Binaka. Oh, Coach Apimilico commenting online. Yeah, comment down below while waiting Coach Salome. So, yeah, comment down below, coaches. Okay. Yeah, we have a lot of comments here. Coach Talopa everyone, sorry. Talopa everyone. I meet my mentor Glisel on Facebook. So on Facebook. Okay. So of course, a lot of all of our partners here is we meet via Facebook, right? Because the main platform that we use is Facebook account. Yeah, Facebook, of course. So by the way, my name is Coach Mark Manaog and I'm your host for today. This late introduction. Okay. So yeah, I made my coach at work. Okay, while you're working, yeah, directly chat with Mentor Glisel or Coach Sarah. Oh, by the way, congratulations, Coach Sarah, the one lady from Nadi also. Yeah. So directly chat with Coach Glisel Largado. Okay. Complete name. I meet my coach at Facebook. Yeah, Coach Lebet commenting here. Okay.
Coach, can you
Hi,
hear me?
Coach. Yeah, I can hear you now, loud and clear. Okay.
Oh, okay. So
Okay.
I'm not
Let's
using
proceed.
the earpiece.
Okay. Let's proceed. So again, Coach, can you repeat again? Can you introduce again yourself to our viewers right now? Because we have 34,000 viewers in the Zoom. So
Oh,
you can introduce yourself again. Actually, Coach, most of our viewers here is from South Pacific. Yeah, you can introduce yourself again, Coach. Go on.
hi, Bula. Bula, everyone. My name is Salome Vava. I'm from Fiji, and I live in the western part of Fiji. I have been home for the last 18 years, just being a full-time mother and a wife. And I love what I do on MSI Digital, a full-time partner with MSI Digital.
Yes. So how you meet MSI Digital System, Coach?
Okay. When I first heard about MSI Digital, like many of us, I thought it was a scam. And lucky for me, my daughter lived in the Philippines for 1.5 years, serving as a full-time missionary for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. She had friends in the Philippines, so I asked her to inquire about the business, and she did. And her friends in the Philippines referred me to none other than Coach Mark Manag. That's how I joined MSI Digital.
Yeah, that's great. So yeah, I remember that when we first chatting, you have we have a first conversation about this business, right? So your current job right now, so you don't have job right now because you said it's full time, right?
No, yes.
So this
I'm
means
a
you are full time.
full-time stay-home mom.
Yeah. So full time and full time in our business also, right?
Mm-hmm.
So okay.
Yes.
Um when you decide this business, what is your purpose? Because you decide to start as a VIP accounts instead in a
Mm-hmm.
normal account.
Mm-hmm.
What is your purpose or reason why you decide as a VIP accounts?
Okay. My main reason for joining MSI Digital, one is because of the high cost of living. It's not only in Fiji, but it's everywhere in the world. The cost of living is very high, and uh, people live from paycheck to paycheck. 2 days after you get your wages, you run around looking for money lenders. You get into debt again, and because you don't have enough money to support you and your family, especially when you have children. That was one of the reasons why I decided to join MSI Digital. And the other reason is I wanted to be self-reliant. Self-reliant means me being able to provide for my family and not living on anyone else's expenses. In Fiji, we call it mula bakararavi. You depend on someone else. I didn't want it for me and my family. That was the reason of me joining MSI Digital.
You joining in MSI Digital because you don't want to depend to other people. And also, you don't want
Exactly.
to depend
Yes.
in one source of income only, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
because it's very hard if you have only one source of income. That's why
Mm-hmm.
you see the opportunity in MSI digital system. I'm right, coach?
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
So that's why you decided, and that's your purpose. Also, I think your purpose also is for your children, right? As you
Mm-hmm.
mentioned to me last time.
Yeah, I also want my children to join.
Yeah. And also you want to support them and to give them a good future.
Yes, exactly.
That's why you start this business. And as you said that in your country is and not only in your country, not only in PG, it's very hard to to have one source of income only, right? So that's why you
Yes.
decided to start this business. So it's very hard to, and if you have if you hardly earn income and you put your money in the system because you see the hope in the MSA digital system. Am I right, Coach? Yeah. So
yes,
you see the hope in MSA digital system.
correct.
Okay, that's great. So that's the
Yes, I
reason.
do.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you okay. So that's very wonderful, Coach, because I know everyone else here, they start this online business or this MSA digital system. The purpose is number one is the money, right? Because we want to, we want to earn more. That's why we want another source of income like this MSI digital system. Okay, so that's a very wonderful, Coach. Now I have another question for you. When the package is arrived in your country, in your place, in PG Island, how's the feeling that you receive the package already and while you opening your package and you see the products like that?
You know, it was like opening a present. It was like opening a birthday present because I had a huge package, and inside the package was a laptop. You know,
Wow.
it wasn't only me; it was my children too. We were all excited to open the package and to see what was inside because there was a laptop inside that package.
You have a laptop, right?
Yes, I have a laptop from MSI Digital. I'm so thankful. I'm grateful for this business.
Yeah, just to be clear, Coach, the laptop is for the gift as a VIP accounts holder, right? Yeah, because
Yeah. Yes.
some coaches commenting, well, oh, I
Some
don't have
people will
laptop.
ask.
No, no, it's only for the VIP holder, right? So that's
VIP.
why you get
Yes.
the
Yes.
laptop. Okay, go on, Coach.
Laptop. Yes.
What's the experience when you getting your products inside of your package from the DHL?
Yeah. It's a long way. It's quite a long way from where I live to DHL office. And when they called to tell me that we have a package here for you, I couldn't wait to go. Paying for a transport from here to there is expensive. And on top of that, to get it to where I live, it was a very exciting day for us, for me and my children, to be able to get the package and to have all those health supplements inside the package.
Okay, so what is the first product that you use when you receive the package? Or
Okay, the first
and
product,
how's yeah, go on, Coach.
the first product I used was C24/7. I love it because it has helped me with my knee pains, back pains, shoulder pains, and one of the products I love is this Angel E.
Oh,
I love
nice.
Angel E because it helps with hair growth. It helps with hair growth.
Yeah.
And another product I love is this I Glow 24/7.
Oh, you look younger.
It
That's why you love the I Glue 24/7.
this takes it makes you look 7 years younger. So I love
Oh,
it.
that's why
I
you
love
look
this.
younger right now, Coach. How old are you? How old are you right now?
Thank you. I'm 55 years old. I'm
Oh,
55.
so you look like if 55, you look like 50 years old, 5 years younger.
Thank you. I'll take that
So
as a compliment. Thank you.
yeah. So what is the major benefits or the major benefits that help you benefits from the products, I mean. What's the major benefits that you can get from the products?
Okay. To be honest, this is one of the benefits I got. I lost quite my hair. I lost my hair. And when I started taking this, I got my hair back. This is
Wow.
this is this is one of the benefits that I got from using these products. And the other benefit is, when you get your product, it's yours. It doesn't belong to the company. So when you sell it, you make extra income.
Wow.
That's another benefit that I got.
Because you have a big package, right? So some products you sell it.
Yes, I sold some.
Yeah, that's great. And I heard that from your earning from the products, you support one of your children for the.
Yes, who's standing now in Suva.
Wow.
And I'm grateful.
Yeah. How about 24/7? Did you use the 24/7?
Yes, I did. I used 24/7. It helped me with my backache, my knee aches, and I had a lot of people inquiring for Seed 24/7. Because I know they've used it and they know how good it is, and they want it. Yes.
Yeah. So this very wonderful, right? Because not only income not only the health benefits that you can get from the products, and also is normally that you can get the health benefits from the products.
Yes.
So but also you get earning from that, right? So and we have a lot of comment here that commenting that you look 35 years old, right? Coach Tenay is here commenting that you look like 35 years old, right? And other here asking if you take Injili with another supplement products. And I see that you take the Injili with 24/7 or other products, right?
I take 2 of these, one in the morning and one in the evening. And this.
C Supreme.
C Supreme, yes.
Yeah. 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 Commenting here, because you look 35 years old because of iGlow 24/7. Yeah.
Oh,
they a lot
wonderful.
of comment
Thank
to our Zoom.
Thank you. Thank
to
you.
our Zoom. Yeah. So you get a lot of benefits from the products that we have, right? So to our coaches, if you receive your products, much better you use the products. Okay. So
yes.
Now you get the benefits from the products. Right now, let's talk about your income. So I as I remember, you receive your first income that you see in your DTC account, in your digital account, is $200, right? I think that's after you join, or after one day that you join. So how's the experience that you see that you have available balance $200 in your account? How's the feeling?
Okay, when I saw the $200 on my DTC account, it just motivated me to work harder, because seeing the $200 one day after I joined the business, it motivated me to work harder. So I told myself, oh, I got $200 day after, so I can get much more than this.
Yeah,
I certainly can do much more than this. So it has motivated me. So I worked harder.
Yeah. And I also remember, Coach, that almost every week that you earning $250, and how's the feeling that you have already $200 and you not already get the $200, then you have another income in your account. Another, I think in the second income, you have another $400 in your account. And as you remember, we posting your income in our Facebook account. How's the feeling that you see another income in your account? Even you not already get the another 200, then you have another balance in your account. How's the feeling like that?
Like I said, it makes you wanted to work more. It elevates you. It gives you a lot of motivation.
Yeah.
I was really happy. It made me trusted MSI more and trusted the coaches. Yes, especially the coaches. With all that they do, it made me trusted them more. So whatever they said, I made a point to do. Whatever counsel they told me. Yes.
Yes. And right now, how much your income in your account?
It's almost 3,000 Fiji dollars.
Wow,
it's 2,900 plus dollars.
Yeah, 2,900 plus. And your ATM cards are on the way.
I know, and I'm excited. I am excited. My children are excited. Yes.
Yeah, and you can start withdrawing your money, right? Using your
income,
ATM
yes.
Mastercard. So as you see other coaches that withdrawing their income and you are the next, what the feeling that I'm the next that withdrawing income. And what you thinking? You make your video also that you're withdrawing your money?
Yes. Yes, I will. I will make the video of me withdrawing my income on my video Mastercard. I'm really happy and I'm excited to get my card.
Yeah, it's very wonderful because in PG Island, I think the regular income in 1 week in Fiji is like 320 PG dollar. But you earning 1 day income is 200 Fiji dollar. So you earn more than other people in Fiji that working for whole week. But you earning 200 Fiji dollar in just 1 day only. That's wonderful, right?
It is. Yes, it is wonderful. Yeah. I couldn't make this much. I couldn't even make this much when I was working. Imagine that.
Yeah. How much you earning when you're working before?
About $200 a week.
It's very small. And right now you're earning $200 in just 1 day only in this system.
In a day, yes.
Yeah.
I'd rather do MSI Digital than work.
Yeah. Yeah, of course, because in terms of money, right? In terms of money, it's more it's more effective than working. Yeah. Of course, me, I if you asking me, I'm doing this business if even I don't want to work. Yeah, I'm do this business, right? So Coach Mary is laughing, commenting in the comment box. Okay, so now I have another questions for you. So you earn money in this platform and also you get products, and as you say, as you said that you have a benefits from the products and you earning money. So aside the income or aside the products that you can get, what you love what you love the most from the MS and digital system?
Okay. What I love about MSI Digital, I love everything about it. The products, the supplements, the money, and especially the mentors and the coaches. You get to speak with them every now and then, and they get to counsel you on things that you will do or can do to move your business, to be able to get much more. I love everything about them. The support they have is tremendous. And I love the Fiji team.
It's fastest growing right now.
I know sometimes it may be hard. Yes, sometimes it will be hard, but with the help of the coaches, I am grateful.
Yeah.
I am so grateful.
That's great. Yeah, that's very wonderful because your coach, as for me, your coach is not giving up for you, right? So your coach is always want you to win. That's the job of your coach or your mentor in this business. So means when you start this platform, coach is your mentor is always guiding you because as I remember, your coach is never asking you that you quit na, right? So your mentor is not giving you advice like that, and your mentor is giving you always motivating you, right, Coach Salome? Did you remember our conversation that I'm motivating you like that?
I remember, and the constant questions that you plan, that you asked me, what are your plans? What are your plans? What are your plans? And it has helped me move. It has really moved me to move forward, to move my business forward. Thank you.
Yes, that's very wonderful. And another one, how trainings that we have because we have a trainings every Saturday. So how are trainings or the trainings aside to the trainings that we have every Saturday? the trainings from your mentor also. How our training help you to develop yourself?
Okay, the trainings has motivated me to have a clear picture of on who I am and who I can become, where I am and what I can do to become better.
Yeah, go on, coach.
How to face rejections, because sometimes you go online and you post whatever you post and people don't maybe they don't read it, or maybe they're not just interested. But I take that as a rejection, and it has helped me, learn that if today is like that, tomorrow may be better, tomorrow can be better. So I'll just keep on going, keep moving. And one thing the training has taught me was to set my goals, set goals and work towards those goals,
Yeah.
try executing those goals. Yes, it's important that we
Yes.
have goals.
Yeah. Because as you mentioned to me last time that you always posting in your Facebook, but no one commenting, no one inquiring about your business. And what I advise to you,
Keep doing it, keep
keep
doing
doing
it.
it. Yeah.
Keep doing it.
And what you learn about keep doing it your business.
I learned that sometime, down the line or down the road, there will be someone will be there, to ask, how do I do that? How do I get there? How do I become like you? I want that. And all you have to do is refer them to your coaches. That's just it. It's very simple.
Yeah. And trust your coach.
Yes.
Trust your
Of
coach.
course I trust my coach. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, that's very important. And in terms of and training also, what skills that you develop from the trainings? Because you do the business, or maybe
The
you're
skills
yeah, go on, coach.
Okay, the skills I developed from the training, lots of skills, you know, how to, we are given script to post on our
Yeah.
pages. And that has helped. I think there's no other platform out there is the same as MSI Digital System, because you're never alone. Your coaches are
Yeah.
always there.
Yes. And
Your
in other
mentors are
plat
always there.
yeah, in other platform, coach, we they don't have like this, right? So we are
Mm-hmm.
this is a very important that we have a webinar, right? So coach,
Yes.
now we going in the final. So what is your long-term goal? Because you have you have benefits from the products you earn already, and you want to earn more. So what is your long-term goals in this opportunity, and how what is your plan how to achieve it? Your long-term goal.
Okay. My long-term goal is to stay healthy for my children and to be a millionaire like you.
Wow. Yes, of course. Go on, coach.
Um, at the moment, I'm completing my house. We were just I was just we were just building our house, and at the moment we are on the completion. We are about to complete it, and we have my children have needs. We have needs as families. So one of my goal is to provide my children with
Yeah.
of their needs.
Yes. And also, we know we're not getting younger anymore, and you can
No.
support your children also in the long term, right? That's your plan.
Yes.
Yeah. So now, as you are a leader in this platform, also in this MSI, because you are in the part of BIP accounts holder. So what your advice to the people who watching right now, our viewers right now, or to all people that not already part of this system, what you can advise to them, that people who have doubt and fear that they don't want to start this business because they thinking a lot of negative like that, because you starting as BIP accounts. BIP account is not a small money, but you starting this business. What you advise to them uh, for joining in this business? So what you can advise to the people not already part of this business at already part of this business?
Thank you. Okay, if you are already part of the business, if you are here already, when you go into the webinar, when you go in and attend the Zoom, take a pen and a paper with you, take notes, set goals, work towards those goals, do what you learn in Zoom. And if you are thinking of joining MSI Digital, I know most of you will be thinking that this is a scam. It's not. Okay. I know at one time, a few years back, or maybe I think it was just last year, the Fiji media broadcasted that Coach Mark was scamming the people. No, he wasn't, and he won't. I trust him with he's coaching me and mentoring me all the way. And if you are thinking of joining MSI Digital, guys, this is the best thing that can ever happen to you. I know
Yes.
there are many online platforms out there, but trust the coaches in MSI Digital.
Yeah. Yeah. As
They
I
will take
remember,
care of
coach.
you.
Yeah, as I remember, coach, that before you start this online platform or MS digital system, you've been scammed from eBay, right?
Yes, yes, in Fiji, there was a scam. Yes.
Yeah. And you try again in online business, even you don't meet
Mm-hmm.
me personally, but you already scammed before, but you try again the online business. Why? Why you trust MS digital system?
I trusted it because my daughter got in touch with her Philippine friends, and they said, yes, that uh, that business, that the MSI Digital business platform is 100% legit. That's
Wow,
why
that's great.
I joined MSI Digital.
Yeah. So that's very wonderful conversation today, Coach. And thank you for your time. I think, but I have it's a very wonderful because even we meet only online, you trust me and you trust to MS digital system. And right now, you starting and getting your commission. And I'm very excited that you receive your ATM Mastercard and you can start withdrawing your commission in this platform. And I know a lot of more income is coming to you. And for your your final message to our MSI digital system, what your final message to our digital system or MSI digital system, and also to all our coaches that support us, not only me and also other coaches that is speaker in online. So what your final message to all our viewers right now? We have almost 40 people attend this right now in our Zoom. What your final message to them?
Okay, to those of you that are in MSI Digital already, set goals, work towards those goals. See, today can be, you may not be as what's the word I'm looking for? Successful today, but tomorrow can be better. If you think you won't be able to make it, then you won't make it. If you think you can make it, put extra effort to it, you'll be able to make it. And to all the coaches, thank you for taking care of all those that are in MSI Digital. I'm grateful. Thank you so much, Coach Mark.
Yeah. So thank you, Coach, for the wonderful conversation, and you inspire a lot of people different countries, and we have a lot of viewers right now. Actually, still growing. So we starting at 20 attendees, but right now we are already in 41 attendees. So you inspire a lot of people, and I see the moment you start withdrawing your income and your income is growing, you can inspire more people. And that's the very wonderful benefits in our business, because the moment you get your result or you earning in this platform, you inspire your family and you inspire other coaches and you inspire other people also, that there's a light. Okay, there's a light that you can get what you want, your dreams in life, and what you want in life. You have still chance to get what you want in life, right? So that's a very wonderful.
Yes.
So today conversation is very wonderful, because you're giving hope to a lot of people from different countries. Okay. So again, Coach, thank you for the wonderful conversation for today. And I'm happy that I'm very excited to see you that you get your encashment and you're withdrawing your encashment. Okay. So yeah. So Coach,
Thank
what your
you.
message to last message to all people that your team in PG Island, because you're from PG. So what's your final message to them?
My final message is, there's a saying that goes, you've got to be in it to win it. So if you want to know, you have to join. For you to be able to get, the income, you've got to join. You've got
You
to
must
join
try.
MSI Digital to be able. Yes, you have to.
Yes. Okay. So yeah, congratulations, Coach. Thank you for your time. And I know you inspire
Thank
a
you.
lot of people. So yeah, coaches, you can comment. Thank you, Coach Salome, and you can bring heart. Yeah. So thank you, Coach Salome, for your inspiring words and inspiring story today. So thank you for that. And yeah, to all our coaches right now watching in our webinar. So this another webinar, or this another inspiring stories. And don't worry, because every week we have special guests. Who knows? Maybe you are the one, another guest in our Inspiring Wednesday. So yeah, keep moving forward, do the business, and I know you can achieve what you want in this business. Again, Coach Salome said that maybe right now is very hard, but tomorrow is another opportunity, and another tomorrow is another opportunity. You need to keep moving forward. Don't quit. And I know that you have a potential, and you have a lot of potential to get what you want and to get what your dream for. Okay? So congratulations again to our viewers for today.